We are having various applications of nanomaterials. Mainly, in these nanomaterials are used in the targeted drug delivery. So these nanomaterials are the traditional drug delivery system. The drug is distributed to the affected tissues, mainly in the cancer treatment. These targeted drug delivery is used. This traditional drug delivery system, the drug is distributed to the affected tissues or organs of the patient's body as well as to the healthy tissues or organs. We know that the traditional treatment drug is supplied to the entire body and it is supplied to the healthy tissues or organs. But in this targeted drug delivery, this we using the nanomaterials, we can send the drug to the particular part where the diseased part or the where the problem is there. In the targeted drug delivery system, the drug is dissolved, entrapped, and encapsulated or attached to a nanoparticle. The system is then embedded in a capsule which is guided towards the affected parts of the body. The capsule is opening at the specific tissues or organs controlled by externally applied magnetic field or infrared light or psychologically. Then drug can be delivered in controlled manner. So drug is distributed to the targeted part and it will be controlled by the externally applied magnetic field. That capsule which is taking the drug will be opened after reaching to the targeted part, and it will supply the drug to the targeted part, and it will collapse the bacteria of present in the targeted part. The drug can be delivered in a controlled manner. Here, targeted drug delivery follows these steps. Drug is dissolved and trapped and encapsulated or attached to a nanoparticle. So first, drug is attached to a nanoparticle and the system is injected in the body and guided towards the targeted tissues or organs body. So next one is the system is injected and will supply to the targeted parts and organs of the body, and nanoparticles drugs are activated at the location of tissues or organs and drugs are delivered. So after reaching the targeted part, the drug is delivered to the targeted part. Carriers of the targeting drug. So these are all the carriers of the targeting drug user using the nanoparticles. Alkyl cyanoacrylate is anti-cancer therapy. Polymethyl methacrylate nanoparticles with vaccine delivery. Polyalkyl cyanoacrylate polyester nanoparticles with antiparasitic intracellular targeting. DNA gelatin nanoparticles, DNA delivery. These are all the different type of nanoparticles using in the targeted drug delivery using the nanoparticles. Next one is the application of nanoparticles, nanotechnology in electronics. So there are the very wide applications of the nanoparticles, nanotechnology in electronics. Main is single electron transistor. The single electron transistor is a switching device in which a quantum dot, which is a three-dimensional nanoscale structure, is placed between the source and the drain. It uses the controlled electron tunneling to amplify the current, thereafter low power consumption and high operating speed. So this nanotechnology is used in the single electron transistor, which is a quantum dot structure, and the movement of electron can be controlled by using this source and drain. And next, spin valves. Spin valves are commercially used in computer read heads. Their use has enabled to increase the data storage capacity of magnetic memory device due to their ability to detect the small magnetic field. And GMR effect is a change in the magnetic field of certain materials after application of magnetic field. This is very effective in observing the small changes in the magnetic field. In this purpose also nanotechnology is used. Spin polarized field effect transistors. In SFET, polarized beam of light was used to obtain the spin polarized electron from the source. It is expected to this. And nanophotonics. Quantum dots, nanowires and 2D thin films are used to design the different types of devices, and in the application of production, propagation, manipulation like amplification, filter, detection of the light. Display technology is also having the application of the nanotechnology, and this nanotechnology is having the applications in space and defense. Those are aerosols. And next, high efficiency lightweight solar cells. Those are used in the high efficiency lightweight solar cells, insulation of for the space vehicles, better igniters and the propellants, fatigue resistance and materials, detection of biological weapons. These are all the applications in the defense and nanotechnology, space and defense. Applications of nanotechnology in automobiles. We know that study structural parts. By using the nanotechnology, various body parts of the vehicle, steel, some alloys can be rubber, plastic, etc. can be studied. Smooth and non-scratch paints, the designing of the paint also. And next, the self-cleaning glass for the windows. This is a main advantage that we can design the self-cleaning glass which is used in the design of the buildings. Next, small motor parts. Next, better tires, controlling harmful emission, and the hydrogen fuel. These are all the applications of the nanotechnology. So we'll see for the 6 marks and the 4 marks questions. What is nanotechnology? Explain quantum confinement and surface to volume ratio. So here we need to define the nanotech definition. We have to write, and we have to write what is quantum confinement. So we have to explain that different types of structures of the nanoparticles, that is quantum dot, quantum wire, quantum well, and surface to volume ratio. And we have to explain properties of nanoparticles, explain the electrical and mechanical properties of nanoparticles. We have to write only electrical properties, that using the graphs, and mechanical properties. And next one is the nanotechnology, explain any two properties of the nanoparticles. We have to explain what are the applications of nanotechnology, explain it to applications. So we have to write here only two applications of nanoparticles. What is nanotechnology? Explain applications of nanotechnology in electronic field. So here we have to write the same thing, applications of nanotechnology in electronic field. What is quantum confinement? Definition of quantum confinement. Second question is important. Explain the optical properties. Explain the electrical properties of nanoparticles, and also explain mechanical properties of nanoparticles. What are the applications of nanotechnology? Explain any one application of the nanoparticle. Explain applications of nanoparticles in the automobile. These are all the about applications. A single application will be used for the 4 marks question. Thank you so much.